Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI, and I have found the perfect set of silverware for a great night hosting. Having the perfect flatware for a dinner party or even just your normal daily meal is so important. And this set from LKTDYMGE is absolutely breathtaking. It is this beautiful matte black and rose gold metal, and it is the perfect setup for a four-place setting. It comes with 20 pieces that are dishwasher safe and just so beautiful. Whether you're using these on a daily occasion to have as your regular silverware or keeping these as your special dinner party flatware, you are going to be as in love as I am. If you want to impress when you host your next dinner party, then you need to get this set of silverware. It is absolutely gorgeous, and that is my point of view.